In this video, I'll be running through what a watch list is, how to open and create one, its features, and how to alter its layout and appearance. A watch list, by definition, is a list of stocks and their associated data. You can create a new watch list by clicking File, New, Watch List, and OK. This will give you a blank watch list window. You'll then need to add some stocks to your new watch list. You can do this by right-clicking anywhere in your watch list and clicking on Add Symbol in the menu that pops up. Now, type in the stocks you'd like to see in your watch list, separating the symbols with a comma only, like this. Once you've typed in all the stocks you want, click OK. And as you can see, you now have a list of stock codes. Running parallel with the codes is the associated data like bid, ask, last, and volume. Let's say I accidentally added the stock code NAB and I didn't actually want it in the list. To remove it, first left-click on the code, then right-click on the code, and from the menu that pops up, click on Delete Symbol. To sort the stocks in the watch list by a particular order, simply click on the column header you want them sorted by. For example, if I want the symbols sorted alphabetically, I can click on Symbol. A second click on the word symbol will sort them in reverse alphabetical order, and a third will put it back to A to Z. However, if I wanted the watch list sorted by last price, I could just click on Last Price, and the items in the watch list would be sorted from lowest to highest last price. A second click would sort them from highest to lowest. Okay, so what if instead of reordering the stocks, I wanted to reorder the columns? Well, to rearrange the columns, I just click on the name of the column I want to move, hold the mouse button down, and drag it to a different location. We can also add or remove columns entirely from a watch list. Say we don't want to see the Ask column anymore. All I do is right-click on the word Ask, and in the menu that pops up, click on Hide Ask. Now, if you'd like to re-add the Ask column, right-click on any column header in the watch list, and from the menu that pops up, click on Add Ask. Okay, so let's move on to changing the appearance of watch lists. To change the colours of the data in the watch list, in the toolbar at the top of the screen, I'll click on the double arrow pointing to the right. This will extend the watch list icon bar. To change the font, I use the F icon. To change the colour of the text, use the first and the third colour drop-down menus. To change the colour of the backgrounds, use the second and the fourth coloured drop-down menus. The last three icons will let you play with the colour and style of the grid. Once we've finished altering the layout and appearance of our watch list, we can save it by right-clicking anywhere in the watch list. Then, in the menu that pops up, we put the mouse over Columns Layout and click Save. It's important to know that saving how the watch list looks is different from saving the actual watch list we've created. If you want to save the watch list, in other words, the list of stocks, click on File, Save, then type in the name you want to call your watch list. I'll call this watch list Demo 123 and click Save. Then, if I close it, all I need to do to reopen it is to click on the watch list icon. Then, in the window that pops up on the left, click on Watch List. On the right, click on Demo 123, click OK, and up comes your saved watch list. Okay, so the last thing we'll go through is how to bring up stocks from your watch list in charts and other windows. One quick way is to left click on a stock to select it, then right click, and from the menu that pops up, click on Chart. To quickly resize your windows to make them both fully visible, click on Window, Tile. Another way to bring up a stock is if you've already got a chart open, like the one that just appeared, is to double click on a stock in your watch list like this. This will work for multiple charts and other windows as well. To show you this, I'll open another chart, a market depth window, and a symbol summary window. And once again, I'll tile them so that all windows are fully visible. When I double click on a different stock in my watch list, all of the windows change to match the stock I just clicked. Okay, so maybe you've got a really big watch list and you don't want to sit there all day clicking on stocks. Well, that's what the Sync Play icon is for. If I toggle the Sync Play on, it automatically plays through all of the stocks on the watch list in order, stopping momentarily on each one. By default, it's set to spend 15 seconds on each stock. You can change that by clicking Tools, Customize, and under the Options tab next to Desired Play Timeout, change the number. To stop it playing through stocks, I simply untoggle the Sync Play icon. And this concludes the video on using watch lists in Phoenix AI. For more information, have a look at our help website, help.phoenixai.com.au. Thanks for watching.